Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Classes, and this is Meenakshi, your mathematics teacher. So today in this video, I'm going to start a new chapter, that is linear inequations. So basically, you must have studied in class 9th about linear equations. If I write an equation in this way, 2x plus y is equals to 3. So here this 2x plus y equals to 3 is a linear equation because here the sign is equals to. Clear? Now if I write an equation in this way, so now in this case this equation is known as linear inequations. This is known as linear inequation because here the sign is greater or equals to, or in place of this we can write the sign in this way, or simply greater than or smaller to. Clear? So wherever in the equation if you see the sign, so then this equation will be known as linear inequations, and these signs are known as sign of inequality. So this is about the linear inequations. So let's discuss some important rules which is very helpful in solving the linear inequations. So let's start from rule number 1. So suppose if I write an equation 2x plus y is greater or equals to 5. So here rule number 1 states that if you add any positive number both the sides, the sign will remain the same. So in this case the sign will remain the same. That's it. Now rule number 2, if I write another equation. So rule number 2 states that if you subtract any number both the side, in this case also the sign will remain the same. Now rule number 3, so if I write an equation, so rule number 3 states that if you multiply any positive number both the sides, if you multiply any positive number both the sides, again in this case the sign will remain the same. Right? Now rule number 4, if I write an equation, so rule number 4 states that if I divide any positive number both the side, so in this case also the sign will remain the same. So now if you see this rule number 1, 2, 3 and 4, you will see in all the 4 rules the sign will remain the same. So it means that if you will add the same number both the sides, the sign will remain the same. In subtraction also the sign will remain the same. In multiplication and in division the sign will remain the same. Now moving to rule number 5 and rule number 6. So rule number 5 states that if you multiply by any negative number both the sides, so now in this case your sign will be changed. So here your sign will be now this way. Right? Now rule number 6 states that if I write an equation, so rule number 6 states that if you divide any negative number both the sides, if you divide any negative number both the sides, so in this case also the sign will be changed. So here sign will be in this way. Clear? So it means that you have to just keep in your mind that in case of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, the sign will be as it is. But in case of multiplication and division by a negative number, so in this case sign will be changed. So this is all about the rules which are very helpful in solving the equations. So please have a look. So let's start solving the exercise. This is exercise 4A, question number 1. State true or false. You will see here the first part, minus y is greater than x implies minus x is greater than y. So in this case, if you will see the result, this is minus x. It means we are multiplying by negative sign. Clear? So I told you it is from the basic rules that if you multiply by negative number both the sides, the sign will be changed. You can see here sign got changed, and if you multiply by negative number, this is minus x and minus minus it become plus. So hence this statement is true. Now moving to the second part. Here again you have to see the result. If you see here x greater or equals to minus 3. So it means you will divide by minus 5. Clear? You will divide here by minus 5, you will get x, and same here you will divide by minus 5, you will get minus 3. But again in this case you have to remember that rule 5 and rule 6. So whenever you divide by a negative number, so again the sign will change, but here the sign you can see both the sign are same as usual. So it means it is false. Now moving to the third part, again in this case you see the result. It means they are dividing by minus 4 both the sides. So it's very easy. I told you whenever you divide by a negative number, in this case the sign will get changed. So here you can see easily that this sign is changed into this one. So hence this is true. Now the last one, again in this case, see what they have done, they have taken the reciprocal. Like 7 reciprocal is 1 by 7 and 5 reciprocal is 1 by 5. But in this case they have changed the sign. You will see in this case sign is this side and here the sign is this side. So this is true or false? Yes, this is true. Because see here in this statement 7 is more than 5. It's correct only. Now if you take reciprocal of 7, it becomes 1 by 7, and same reciprocal of 5, it is 1 by 5. So now in this case, after taking the reciprocal, now 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 7. So hence it is true. This is question number 1. Now moving to question number 2, it is again state true or false. So here the first part, if A is smaller to B, then A minus C is smaller than B minus C. So here again they have done the subtraction here. So it is the rule number 2. I told whenever we subtract any number both the sides, the sign will remain the same. You see here the sign is as it is. So this is true. Second part, in this case again you will see the result. They have added the same number both the sides. So again while adding also the sign will remain the same. It is correct. So hence this is also true. Now third part, if B is greater than A, then it implies that AC is also greater than BC. So here the same rule, if you multiply by the same term C both the sides, the sign will remain the same. But here you will see the sign is totally different. So this is false. Now fourth part, if A is greater than B, then A by C is smaller than B by C. So here again they have done division. They have divided by the same positive number both the sides. So again I told you whenever we multiply by the same positive number or divide by the same number, so in this case the sign will be same. So here if you compare the sign is different. So hence this is also false. Now the last one, if A minus C is greater than B minus D, then A plus D is greater than B plus C. So it's very easy. This minus C will come to this side and minus D will come to this side. So this become A plus D and this minus C will go this side, it become B plus C. So it's correct. Therefore, this is also true. So this is question number 2. Now moving to the third sum, if x belongs to n, so here n is the natural number, find the solution set, and the first part is 5x plus 3 is smaller or equals to 2x plus 18. So here in this case you have to find the solution set. Solution set means before this you have to find the value of x and you have to then find the solution set. So here let's start solving. So you have to solve this equation. Now this 2x will come this side. This is 5x minus 2x and the sign will be as it is, and this plus 3 will go this side. This become 18 minus 3. So 5x minus 2x is 3x and 18 minus 3 is 15. So it's very easy. Your answer is the value of x is less than or equals to 5. So here now the solution set. This is the value of x. So therefore solution set is equals to, you can see here as x belongs to natural numbers, you will mark out curly bracket here. So here the value of x is less than or equals to 5. It means less than 5 means 0, 1 to 3. But here x belongs to natural numbers. So we will not include 0 here. You will start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because here equals to sign is also there. So we will include 5. This is the answer. This is the only solution set. Now moving to the second part. It's again very simple. Same here, this minus 4x will come this side. This is 3x plus 4x. And this is minus 2 will go this side. This is 19 plus 2. So 4 plus 3, 7x. 19 plus 2, this is 21. So here the value of x is less than 3. So again for the second part, solution set is equals to, you will draw a curly bracket. So less than 3 means 0, 1, 2. Again it is natural numbers, you will not include 0. So directly you will start from 1. So 1, 2 because here it is not equals to. Clear? So it means only 1, 2 is the solution set. Now moving to the fourth sum. If the replacement set is whole numbers, solve. So the first part is x plus 7 is smaller or equals to 11. So here again you need to find the value of x, and after finding the value of x you have to find the solution set. So let's start from the first part. So again this is plus 7, it will go to the other side. So here 11 minus 7. So the value of x is less than or equals to 4. So now after finding the value of x, you will directly find the solution set. So solution set is equals to, you will draw a curly bracket. So less than 4, and here the replacement set is whole numbers. Clear? So whole numbers means you will count from 0 onwards. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because here equals to sign. So therefore we will include 4. Right? Now moving to the second part. Again here you need to find the value of x. This minus 1 will go to the other side. This is 8 plus 1. So 3x is greater than 9. So hence the value of x is more than 3. You will divide both the numbers, you will get 3. So again in this case, solution set is equals to, you will draw a curly bracket. So less than 3 means 0, 1 and 2. Because there is no equals to sign. Now moving to the third part. So here again you need to find the value of x. This is minus x, so we can send it to the other side. And this plus 5 will come here, it become minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So it means the value of x is smaller than 3. Right. So here the solution set will be, so less than 3 means you will count only 0, 1 and 2. Right. Now moving to the fourth part. So here again you need to find the value of x. So in this case you will see this is minus 1 by 2. It will come this side. So 7 plus 1 by 2 and the sign will be as it is. This minus 3x will go to the other side. It becomes plus 3x. Now here we need to find out the LCM. And this is 14 plus 1. This is 3x. So 14 plus 1, this is 15. This is 3x. Now by cross multiplication, this is 15 and this is 6x. So here you need to divide 15 by 6 and your value will be, this is 2.5. Clear? So here the value of x is more than or equals to 2.5. So here as it is, this set is whole numbers. So this is more than 2.5. It means you will count all the numbers. So solution set is equals to, you will draw a curly bracket here. So more than 2.5 means you will count from 3 onwards. Clear? This is equals to also, but only you will count from 3 onwards. This is 3, 4. So up to so on. And close the curly bracket. Clear? This is question number 4, all the 4 parts. So please have a look. Now moving to question number 5. Solve the inequation. 3 minus 2x is greater or equals to x minus 12, and here x belongs to n, and here n is natural numbers. So again in this case, first of all you have to find the value of x, and after that you have to find the solution set. So let's start. This is 3, this minus 12 will come this side, it become plus, the sign will be same as it is, and this is minus 2x will go to the other side, this is x plus 2x. So 3 plus 12, this is 15, and 2x plus x, this is 3x. So here the value of x is less than or equals to 5. You will see here the sign is towards 5. So it means the value of x is less than or equals to 5. So here this is x belongs to natural number. So therefore solution set is equals to, you will draw a curly bracket. So here less than 5 means you will only start from 1. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the solution set for question number 5. Now moving to this question number 6. If 25 minus 4x is smaller than or equals to 16, find the first part, the smallest value of x, where x belongs to r. So here r means real number. So let's start solving the first part. So here the 16 will come to this side and it become 25 minus 16, and the sign will be as it is, and this minus 4x will go to the other side and this become plus 4x. So here 25 minus 16 is 9, and the sign will be same, this is 4x. Now divide 9 by 4. So if you divide 9 by 4, you will get 2.25. So it means the value of x is more than or equals to 2.25. You will see here the sign is towards x. So it means the value of x is more than or equals to 2.25. So therefore the smallest value of x, where x belongs to r, to write here. Therefore the smallest value of x is 2.25, because this is the smallest value of x, and here x belongs to real numbers. So real numbers means will include all decimal numbers also. Now moving to the second part, the smallest value of x, where x belongs to integer. So in this case it's integer. So we have to solve the same equation. This is 25 minus 16 and this is 4x, 9. So divide 9 by 4, you will get 2.25. So here the same thing you got, that the value of x is more than or equals to 2.25. But in this case it is x belongs to integer. Clear? So integers don't include this decimal numbers. So it means the smallest number or the smallest value of x is, so this is more than 2.25. So more than 2.25 is 3. So this is the answer for the second part, and this is question number 6. Now moving to question number 7. If the replacement set is real numbers, solve the first part, minus 4x more than or equals to minus 16. So let's start solving the first part. So here if you divide by minus 4 both the sides, so dividing by the negative number will change the sign. So here this cancel out, but here sign will be changed, and this is 4. So it means that the value of x is less than or equals to 4. So here the replacement set is real numbers. Clear? Real numbers include all the numbers, all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, decimal numbers, right? So here the value of x is less than or equals to 4. So therefore solution set will be, this is equals to, draw a curly bracket. So less than or equals to 4 means you will take x such that you write here the value of x is less than or equals to 4, and just close the bracket and write here x belongs to real number. in case of real numbers, so whenever the replacement set is about real numbers, the solution set will be always in this form. Clear? You'll draw a curly bracket here, write here x, and the sign is such that the value of x is less than or equals to 4, where x belongs to real number. Now moving to the second part. Again here you have to find the value of x. So this 20 will come this side. This is 8 minus 20, and minus 3x will go to the other side. This becomes plus 3x. So 8 minus 20 is minus 12. So here you will divide both the sides by 3, and 3 is a positive number. So in dividing by the positive number, the sign will remain the same. So minus 4, sign will be as it is, and this is x. So in second part, the value of x is more than or equals to minus 4. So here again, the solution set you will write in this way. Draw a curly bracket, x such that the value of x is more than or equals to minus 4, and just close the bracket and write here x belongs to R. That's it. Now moving to the third part. So here again you need to find the value of x. This plus 9 will come this side, this become minus 9, the sign will be same, and this x by 4 will go to the other side. So x by 5 minus x by 4. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So here you need to find out the LCM, and the LCM is 20, and this is 4x minus 5x. This is minus 4, 4 minus 5 is minus. So here if you will do the cross multiplication, this 20 will get multiplied by 4, and this you will get minus 80, and this is minus x. So here if you will divide by negative number both the sides, just divide by minus 1 both the sides. Now minus and minus will be cancelled out, but dividing by negative number both the sides will change the sign. So now the equation is in this way. So here the value of x is more than 80. So it's very easy. So here solution set will be, you write, draw curly bracket, write here x such that the value of x is more than 80. Just close the bracket and x belongs to R. That's it. So this is question number 7, all the 3 parts. So please have a look. Now moving to question number 8, find the smallest value of x, and here the equation is 5 minus 2x is smaller than 5 whole 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3x, and where x belongs to I. So here I is integer. So let's start solving this inequations. So here this is 5 minus 2x, and this is minus 5 by 3x, and this is 5 whole 1 by 2. So this 5 whole 1 by 2 will take it to this side, and this is 5 minus 5 whole 1 by 2. The sign will be same as it is. This is minus 5 by 3x, and this minus 2x will go to the other side. This become plus 2x. Now here convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction, and this is 11 by 2. And here you need to find out the LCM. LCM is 3. This is 5x plus 6x. Again in this case we need to find out the LCM, and this is 10 minus 11. So minus 5 plus 6 is 1. So this is x by 3, and 10 minus 11 is minus 1 by 2, x by 3. So after this you will do the cross multiplication. So you got minus 3 is less than 2x. So here you will divide minus 3 by 2, and you will get the answer as minus 1.5. So here the value of x is more than minus 1.5. So here you will see this minus 1.5 is decimal number, but here x belongs to integer. So just now I told you integers will not include this decimal numbers. So here the smallest value of x will be, the value of x is more than minus 1.5. So more than minus 1.5 means this is minus 1 is equals to minus 1. This is the answer. Now moving to question number 9. Find the largest value of x. 2 bracket x minus 1 is smaller or equals to 9 minus x, and where x belongs to whole number. So here w means this is whole number. So here we need to open the bracket. This is 2x minus 2 is smaller or equals to 9 minus x. Now this minus x will come to this side. This become 2x plus x, and this minus 2 will go to this side, and this is 9 plus 2. So 2x plus x is 3x, and 9 plus 2 is 11. So the value of x will be, you will divide 11 by 3. And here your answer is 3.6. So the value of x is smaller than or equals to 3.6, and here x belongs to whole number. So here less than 3.6 means you will take 3, 2, 1, 0. Clear? Because here whole numbers, and whole number starts from only 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this case you have to find the largest value. So here the largest value will be, therefore the largest value of x is, if you start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you will stop till 3. So here 3 is the largest value of x. Now moving to the last sum, solve the inequation 12 plus 1 whole 5 by 6 x less than or equals to 5 plus 3x, and here x belongs to R. So again let's start solving this. First of all, convert this mixed fraction 6 plus 1. This is 11 by 6x, and this is 5 plus 3x. Now here transpose the variables. So this plus 3x will come this side. This is 11x by and minus 3x, and 5 minus 12. Again find out the LCM. So here LCM is 11x minus 18x, and 5 minus 12 is 7. This is minus 7. 11 minus 18 is minus 7x by 6 less than or equals to minus 7. Now multiply both the numbers. This is minus 7x less than or equals to minus 42. So if you will divide both the numbers by minus 7, right, you will divide both the sides by minus 7, this cancel out, and this is 6. But dividing by negative number again will change the sign. So it means the value of x is more than or equals to 6. So here the value of x is more than or equal to 6, but here x belongs to real number. Clear? So therefore solution set will be in this way. Solution set is equals to, you will make a curly bracket, write here x, such that the value of x is more than or equals to 6, and where x belongs to real number, and then close the bracket. That's it. So this is question number 9, and this is question number 10. I hope you all understood. So please have a look.